right, 2 more problems to master this understanding of what rational expressions are and how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide them. So if you made it this far, congratulations. Let's look at these last 2 problems and use our same logic that we did for the prior problems. So when we're dividing rational expressions, we still need to divide, when we divide, multiply by the reciprocal. So I can rewrite this as 10x over 4xy to the squared times the reciprocal, 2y to the 4th over 5x squared. So now we can cross cancel our coefficients if we can. So 5 and 10 work nicely. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 10 twice, 2 goes into itself once, and 2 goes into 4 twice. So that's awesome to start. So 2 times 1 is 2 times x times, I have 4 y's here. And 2 times 1 again is 2 times x times x times x. I have 3 x's being multiplied and 2 y's. Over here we can cross cancel. If we can see here, our 2 over 2 over 2 is really 1, right? Anything over itself is 1. So really I could just cancel those. I can cancel an x for an x, y for a y for a y. I'm left with y times y, or y squared, all over x times x, which is the same as x squared. So y squared over x squared. All right, last one. So let's first start by rewriting this. So we're going to keep our first rational expression and multiply by the reciprocal. So I'm going to start there. And I'm actually going to write it out longhand right away. So 3ab cubed is the same as 3 times a times b times b times b. Here I have 40 times a times b times b times b times b. Multiplied by the reciprocal, so I have 8 cubed, or 8 times a times a times a, over 15. 3a is being multiplied and 5b's. Okay. So let's cross cancel our coefficients first. So let's look at our 3 and 15 here. 3 goes into itself once, into 15 5 times. 8 goes into itself once, into 45 times, much like our last question, or number 17. Now we can cross cancel our letters. So it doesn't matter if I have this 1a here, right? Factor of a. I have 1 here, so I can just match those up. A over a is 1. Here I have 3 a's as well, or not as well, but 3 a's. And down here I have 3 a's. So I can do AA, all those a's cancel. Okay. Can look at our b's. So I have 3 b's here. Can cancel that with 3 b's. I have no b's here, so I can't do any canceling. So I am left with 1 times 1 is 1. On top, that's all I have. Bottom here I have 5 times 5 is 25. My a's all canceled. So I have b's. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B to the 6. So 1 over 25 b to the 6. And that is the last question for multiplying and dividing rational expressions.